Let's get this big baby in the freezer.
We'll give it about an hour, then we'll slice it open and see what we got. Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours and we let this black diamond get nice and ice cold. Now we're gonna slice into it and see what we have. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Oh,
That.
get there. Get there.
Good. Woo.
Look at all those seeds.
Here.
Let's go ahead and... Oh, almost lost it.
Oh, it's so good.
Delicious, wonderful, seeded. Little seeds. Look at that. Seeded black diamond.
So good, makes you want to smack your mama.
Evan, you'll have to cut that out.
Black diamond, a great watermelon for you to grow. I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.